So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's an exciting day because I have a brand new product from ANCEL, and you guys are gonna love this one. And this is the product that I'm talking about. So this is not a booster pack, this is not a car charger or a car battery charger. You have to find out what it is. So guys, let's get started. So this is the ANCEL BS200. So it's an engine Superstarter. Like I said before, this is not a booster pack. This is something else. This is something different. And let's go check it out. So inside we have the manual. You can also download the app later on. I'm gonna show you to download the app. So this is the actual product itself. Here we have a positive clamp and a negative clamp. You have some heavy duty tie wraps and the actual unit, the Superstarter. So it's nicely packed on this plastic case, as you can see. Here we have the manual discharge. Here it's a Bluetooth where we can see if it's online or offline. Here we can see if it's fully charged or charging, and also here we can see if it's draining or if it's low on charge. Check out the back. So the model is BS200. Yes, discharge current of 700 amps, and working voltage is 5 volts to 20 volts, and it's a Bluetooth BLE 5.3. And here you have the serial number of the unit. So what this is a capacitor. It's a capacitor that you have to connect to your battery, and it supports your battery every time it starts the engine, or when you try to start your car. This one stores the current, and this helps you start your car instantly. So instead of always relying on the battery for your engine to start, this one also helps big time on delivering that current when it needs to. This is very useful if your car battery is getting old, and in winter time you're gonna need a lot of current to start that car, that engine. And this helps it support that current by giving it a big boost on the battery, so you don't have to boost your car if your battery is low. This one keeps the reserve current that it needs to start your car. And this is also useful if you have a new battery, because your battery will last longer. Instead of wearing out your battery every time you start your car, or if you have that start-stop option on your car, because of that start-stop, it drains a lot of power on your battery, and the battery will not last long if it's always like that. So this will support that current every time you need some starting power. So it's also beneficial to a newer battery, and even better for the older battery, to give you that extra amperage that you need to start your car. There's also an app that you can download so you can monitor this Superstarter, and we're gonna check it out right now. So now we're gonna download. Well, I already downloaded the app on the Play Store. So what we need to search is for the ANCEL Superstarter. So once you type in that, do a search, and you have to download this ANCEL Superstarter app. Since I already installed it on my phone, I can just open it up, and this is what's gonna show up. Here's gonna show you the status of the Superstarter, the battery, and state of charge, voltage, temperature, and all that. And to see something, if we can connect to the actual Superstarter, we need to plug in the power on this So I'm gonna plug in the USB-C. There's a USB-C socket here. Well, you have to plug your charger. As you can see now the light is on for the Bluetooth, and also the draining or low voltage LED. So here we can see that it's charging. As you can see that arrow going up and down, that means the Superstarter is charging right now. You don't actually need to charge the Superstarter to use it. You can directly bolt it onto your battery, because this has to be permanently connected to your battery. That's how this capacitor is going to work. So once you bolt it onto the battery, or you installed it to the battery, then it's gonna charge automatically every time you start the car. So it gives you that reserve power every time you start your car, because it's charging automatically. So in this app you can see the state of the Superstarter, how much voltage, state of charge, all that. And here you can see the history of the Superstarter, the device. That's why it's very important to put the serial number, because to make sure it's connected to the actual Superstarter, you have to enter the serial number of the actual unit when you register after you install the app on your phone. And here you can adjust some settings about the app, and you can just play around with it if you want, but for me I'm gonna leave it standard like this. And then I go back again to the state of charge of the Superstarter and the battery. As you can see, there's nothing on the battery right now because it's not connected to the battery. So once I install this actual Superstarter on the battery of my car, then we're gonna see something on this app after I did the installation on the car. Then we can see some other values for the battery or the Superstarter. So that's how the app works. So now let's go install it on the car. So this is my BMW 1 Series, and the battery on this car is pretty weak. So now it's cold outside. It's minus 20 with the wind. I'm gonna try to start this without the Superstarter. We will see if we can start the car. We will see if we can have a hard time to start, because it's minus 20 with the wind, so it's pretty cold outside. So now I'm gonna try to start the car. We'll see if we have enough power to make this car start today, even though it's minus 20 outside. So it doesn't want to start. I'm gonna try again. See, that's the problem with this car. The battery is weak, so every time I try to start the car, it's having a hard time to start. I'm gonna try it again. This is without the Superstarter. No, doesn't want to start. I installed the booster pack. Now we're gonna see if we can start the car again. Now we're gonna start the car with the booster pack. There you go. So the battery is really weak. I think I might have to replace this one, but we'll see if we can install the Superstarter, if we can still gonna have the same problem next time. I'm just gonna keep it running for a while to charge up the battery a bit. So now that I finally got the car inside, I'm gonna install the Superstarter onto the battery. As you know, the BMW, the battery is in the trunk, so should be down here. I might have to remove this. So the battery is down here. Here's the same positive here, and the negative should be here. Okay, so I'm gonna connect the positive terminal onto this section here, and we just run the wire underneath. Make sure it's a nice install. I'm gonna loosen that 15 millimeter. I can slide in the positive here. There you go. Make sure it starts. tight. Okay, that's a positive. Then for the negative, I'm gonna install it here on the negative post here. Okay. And slide in the negative here. There you go. So now the Superstarter is installed. I just have to connect the tie wraps here. So I tie wrap to the main cable, so it's not gonna be bouncing around. Cut the tie wrap, and that's it. I drove the car around for 5 minutes, and as you can see, the status of the Superstarter now, it's 97%, and for the battery it's still 19%. We'll check out the starter. Yeah, the starter now is 96%. Voltage is 14.65. Temperature is 12 degrees. Number of assists, it didn't show yet. So it's good. It's keeping tabs if it's assisting your car every time. We can see that later on the history. But now on the battery side, as you can see, it's not charging as fast as the Superstarter. Tomorrow, it's gonna be cold again tomorrow. We'll see. I'm not gonna charge the battery on the car. We'll see if we can start the car again with the help of the Superstarter. So I'll get back to you tomorrow. So guys, it's the next day. Today we're gonna try it out if we can start this car. As from yesterday, I just drove the car to about 5 minutes to charge the Superstarter from ANCEL, and the battery is about 20%. I didn't charge the battery. I left the car here overnight, and it's about the same temperature again. It's about -20 with the wind. Before I start the car again, we're gonna check the status of the Superstarter and also on the battery on the app. Let's go try it out. I'm gonna turn on the app. So it's telling me that the Bluetooth is connected, and we have about 81% on the 81% on the Superstarter, and the battery, it's really low. It's a 0. There's no charge at all. So we're gonna try to start if we can just start it with the Superstarter. So I'm putting the car keys now. We'll try. Wow. Wow. Amazing. It says on the app that the starter was successful, and now it's telling me 52 charge on the Superstarter and 1 charge on the battery. So this thing really works, guys. Imagine that. With 0% battery and 81% of Superstarter, I managed to start the car. Amazing. So that's it, guys. You know that the Superstarter works. It does an amazing job on starting my car, even though I have 0% on the battery. I managed to start the car with 81% on the Superstarter capacitor. So guys, I really like this new product from ANCEL. It really does a good job in starting my car, even though I have 0% charge on my car battery. It's unbelievable. I cannot believe. I thought it's not gonna start my car, but it managed to start with just 1 click, 1 try. Amazing product. So far, it's one of the best product I have tested on the channel, and I really like this product, guys. So guys, if you're interested in this product, I'm gonna put down the link down below. Go get yourself one. If you want it, keeps your battery last longer. And if you have old battery, you always know that you're gonna start your car every time, even though you have 0% charge on your car battery. So guys, that's it for the video. So please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.